In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can fix your Ethernet or LAN um, problem if you have one. Okay, for the first step, we go into the search bar and here we look for the control panel. Click on control panel and after that we can click on network and internet, and after that we click on network and sharing center, and here we have connections, and the connection should be Ethernet if you are connected with your LAN cable or Ethernet. So okay, this should be right, so it should be like this, and then we can click on change adapter settings, and here we have Ethernet. Okay, for the first step we can right click on a Wi-Fi and can disable it. I have disabled it already. And here we have Ethernet and we can right click it and this should be enabled. This is really important. Okay, and after that you can, to restart your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet, you can right click on it, disable it and wait like 2 minutes and can enable it after that again. And then we have diagnose. We can click on this and here we can let the PC like search for errors or something else. Okay, and which is really important, you can here run network tests. We can click on it and then if you have a problem, it maybe will find a solution for this. Okay, and here are also some tips you can follow. Okay, and one other thing you can do is click on this, go on properties, and here we can click on Internet Protocol version 4, go on properties again, and here we have obtain an IP address automatically. We click on this, and here down there we can we click on use the following DNS server addresses, and then here we have preferred DNS server. This is 8888 and the alternative DNS server is 8844. So then we can click on OK and can close this. And after that you have to reset your PC. Then the settings will be saved. And yeah, if I could help you with the video, please leave a like and subscribe. It would help me a lot. If you have a problem, you can write it in the comments, and then see you next time.